Hey guys, I was just seeing a lot of issues on the homework. I saw some students already turned it in and obviously weren't really getting it. So I thought I would make a quick video and explain the first two. So you're getting two freebies here, okay? I wanted to put our forms chart and the homework. So these are the first two problems on the homework here. Let's hope I can get both of these in the shot. All right, so 257 is the standard form. The expanded form, we would take each part of this number apart. Remember me talking about that this week? So say it slowly, 257. Let's first make the base 10 form. So I make two hundreds, right? And that covers that. I make 5 tens because the 5 is in the tens place, and I make 7 ones, which you can just make dots. Okay, so I just made 257. You could do that with your base 10 blocks, or you could do it with by drawing it like I did. Expanded form, say the number slowly, or you can cover up the spaces. You write down the 2, and then you cover it up, and you've got 2 spaces here. Then you put your plus sign. Then you write down the 5, you cover up the 5, and you've got 1 space, so you put 1 0. Then you put down the 7, cover it up, and there's nothing behind it, so you write nothing else. Word form, you just sound it out, and you make sure not to use the word and. 257. Easy, okay? I don't count off for spelling, so as long as I can read it. Then this one was probably the hardest one because it's a 4-digit number. And the number is 1,263. So we start by drawing it. I won't count off for this one because I know you guys don't have thousands blocks and this is kind of hard to draw. Okay, you start off by drawing the big cube because that represents 1,000. And then you make we look at the hundreds place and there's 2 hundreds. We look at the tens place, there's 6 tens, so we make 6 10 rods. 5, 6, that's fine, I didn't do the cross through. And then we look at the ones place, we've got 3 ones. Okay, there it is in base 10 form. Expanded form, we write down the 1, and then we cover it up, and there's 1, 2, 3 spaces after it, so we put our comma, and we put 3 zeros. Okay? Then we go to the 2, we write down the 2, we cover it up, there's 2 spaces, so we put 2 zeros. Okay? Then we put our next plus sign. We write down the 6, then we cover it up, there's 1 space, so we put 1 0, and then we put our plus sign. And then we go to the 3, we cover up the 3, write it down, there's no spaces, so there's no zeros after it. 1,263. It sounds the same way as it does when you say the number, 1,263. Okay, and then word form. Again, this one definitely won't count off because this is a lot of big words. 1,000. Remember, 1,000 has the word sand in the end. 1,200. This one has red in the end. 1,260. And then 3. You can put it down at the bottom if you need to. Remember, you can always print these, do them on the sheet, and then turn them in. It's really just however you can get this stuff turned in. All right, thanks guys. I hope that helped a little bit.